Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your Liberty Pumps SJ10 backup sump pump is not working when needed, it can be a serious concern because this system is designed to protect your space from water buildup. You may notice that the pump does not activate or it fails to move water even when the water level rises. This usually happens due to water supply issues, valve problems, or internal blockage rather than a complete failure. Since the SJ10 works using water pressure instead of electricity, it depends on proper water flow to operate correctly. If anything interrupts that flow, the pump will not function as expected. It is important to check all connections and components carefully to make sure everything is working properly. In this video, I will show you step by step how to fix a Liberty Pumps SJ10 that is not working. Try these. 1. Check the water supply valve connected to the Liberty Pumps SJ10 and make sure it is open. 2. Inspect the inlet and outlet pipes of the Liberty Pumps SJ10 for any blockage. 3. Test the Liberty Pumps SJ10 by lifting the float to see if it activates. 4. Clean the internal parts of the Liberty Pumps SJ10 to remove debris. 5. Check the check valve of the Liberty Pumps SJ10 for proper operation. 6. Run the Liberty Pumps SJ10 again and confirm it starts pumping water.